how you can make a Ubisoft account on Xbox One. So let's get started with it. First of all, open your browser and type in ubisoft.com, and then this kind of interface will appear on the screen. Make sure you're signed in. And then the thing is that you need to create your individual account on Ubisoft and Xbox as well. So in another tab, type xbox.com, and then make sure that you are signed in Xbox as well. So let's get back to Ubisoft for now. So once you've created both of your account, you can simply link both of your account and launch game and play games together. So then what you need to do is go to the account management of Ubisoft, and here you can see the account information section. What you need to do is scroll down a bit, and then you'll see the list of options where you can link your account. Since we're gonna link it on Xbox, just tap on Xbox and tap on the link option. After that, you need to tap on continue to make it sure that you want to link your account, and wait for some seconds, then your account will be linked with Xbox. So here you can see that you have successfully linked your Ubisoft account with Xbox. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.